Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you a simple way from where you can enable the option to download those apps that link is taking you to. So if there are some things which you are not able to download on WhatsApp because WhatsApp is putting some restrictions, then do as I say. Go to the settings of your phone and click on apps, right? You can search it or scroll it down and you gotta go to the WhatsApp app, search it up or maybe just slide it down and you will find your app WhatsApp. Tap on it and you will get this on your screen. Now click on the install unknown apps. From here you will have the option to allow from this source. Means these apps or something might be risky according to WhatsApp for your phone. It can bring virus or something. That is why it is not letting you. But if you think that is okay, so you can on this, enable this, and then you can download those apps from those links, right? That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da!